Hey guys, this is Chicks from Patchwork of Tips. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a quick review of two Ambre Solaire sunscreens with an SPF of 50+ rating. These are the worst sunscreens I've ever encountered and should be avoided at all costs. I'll be starting off with the Ambre Solaire Face Protection Sun Cream with SPF 50+. If you look closely, you can see it leaves a white cast. There's a difference between here and here. It leaves a very visible white cast. Even on my face, the white cast was quite terrible. This sunscreen is an absolute no-no. Moving on. This is the Ambre Solaire Sensitive Advanced Spray with SPF 50+ with a 4-star boot star rating. At first, it rubs in nicely, leaving a matte zero white cast finish. But it leaves a sticky residue on my palm. As the minutes go by, it begins to ball up and fall off on contact. So do yourself a favor and avoid these sunscreens. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if it was and subscribe as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Do have a nice day.